Greetings and welcome to this training video about getting started with the Affiliate Manager, Overview and FAQ. Before I get into this, I got some amazing advice from a phenomenal entrepreneur and marketer at Traffic Conversion. I am going to try to do a better job when we release these new feature videos. Before I get into the actual nuts and bolts to the feature, today we are announcing affiliate management software on beta. That's right. So quick note, as always, beta means go to beta. Go high level. Com in your browser URL. It's not going to be in the live. It is also a labs feature. And so what that means is that you have to go into settings in the location, go into the labs section and turn it on. So with that being announced, let's talk about what the heck affiliate management software even is and why it's important. So affiliate management software for the uninitiated is the ability to essentially track where a sale comes from when via a link that you can send out to people. So how does this work? Let's walk this through. Imagine, and you can use this for anything, so whatever example I give, you can use this for anything. But imagine you, as a marketer or entrepreneur, you wanted to sell something. Let's say you have, I don't know, let's say, a course. It's a really simple example. You want to have somebody essentially help you promote your course, or help you promote your whatever. What you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to create a landing page with a funnel on it where you're going to make a sale, and you're going to be able to actually then have a link that has a very specific unique code in it. Go out to anybody you want, and each of the codes will be unique to the people that you send them to. Then those people can turn around and actually promote you. If they do, you can actually track where the sales come from. And more importantly, you can share in the revenue that you get from the sale. So super simple. Let's walk this down. I, Sean, have a course. I want you to promote my course for me, and my course is $1,000. I must really be smart and do something exciting. But if I just call you and say, hey, would you be willing to share your course with everyone you know? You'd be like, well, it's a good course, Sean, and I think you're a smart guy, but what's in it for me? Well, I'd be like, tell you what, if you promote my course for every course that gets sold at $1,000, I'll pay you $500. How's that sound? Now you're like, now you're talking, buddy. How's it work? Well, I'd be like, well, hey, here's a link. Send this out to your friends. If they buy, I'll know it was you. Then after 30 days or whatever the rules are that I set up, I will pay out to you whatever, the $500 for every $1,000 course we send. That's the traditional way that affiliate management software is done. You can also use this. To me, this is the killer app. This feature, by the way, is at the location level. That means every single one of your clients can use it. Think about this in context of a small business for a minute. Let's say you're a med spa and you're saying to yourself, gosh, you know what would be great? I would love more customers. How could I get more customers without spending any money on ads? Wait a second. What if I had this offer that's like, if you buy a $100 package, we'll give you $200 worth of service. Then I give that as an offer out to my existing customer base. If they send it to their friends and their friends buy the $100, I'm going to give the person who recommended me $50. Now what am I doing? I am bringing in referrals. Think about this for a second. I was just in a presentation at a digital marketer right before Traffic and Conversion, and somebody said something that really blew my mind. They said, listen, most small businesses are used to getting referrals, and when we give them leads, the difference between a lead and a referral are just fathoms away from each other. Because a referral is like a pre-sold lead versus an actual lead. It's just somebody who showed interest and you've got to get to them quickly, you've got to give them more information, you've got to sell them. But this is a way for you to actually generate referrals for your customers using the existing customer list they had. Now that I got that out of the way, that's the first 4 minutes of the video, that's the why. But let's take a look at the what. Today we've got affiliate management software dropping into the app. Go into here. You can see right here, we're into campaigns. You have to set up your Stripe account because we track this based on sales and Stripe. You can upload your existing affiliates if you have them. And if not, you can get started. Now what we are going to do is we are going to be creating a campaign. Now, a campaign is simply just a set of rules. If you hit add, what basically is, you can say, my awesome affiliate campaign, you're going to link it to either a funnel or a website. What you're going to see here is, if I do this general purpose funnel, notice right here, here's the URL, NASA Prod 1. Just ignore the really funky URL. Then you'll notice if we put this in another. Let's see, can we put this in another page? Yeah, see right here at the top, it says _ID equals affiliate ID. That's the affiliate ID that's assigned to your affiliate. We'll get into that in a second. You can do all kinds of stuff like add products, and there's lots of documentation I'm going to drop. Don't worry if I breeze through this one a little bit, but you can specify which products you can. You can add specific affiliates. You can choose payout frequency. So every 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, you can set cookie life. So how long do you want the cookies to last? Because let's say I refer somebody today, do you want to give me credit if they buy a year from now, or do you want to give me a specified amount of time, all that? Then as you can see here, you also have the commission percentage. Then how much do you want to pay out relative to the cost of the product? That's how campaigns work. And then once you have a campaign, you obviously have affiliates as well. What is an affiliate? It's super simple. It's essentially just a contact. It's a person. That person gets you have a name, email, phone number, all that stuff. Then once you add them in, so let's say, well, let's just do this. John, D.O., that's funny, John at do.com, 303223333. Perfect. Test LLC. I don't even know if you have to do a URL and add. Okay, perfect. Here's John. Now what John is going to get is John is going to have his own specific codes so that when we go in, so we click on John, we can go in here, and we can see all kinds of great stuff about him, like things that he's sold and all that stuff, all that information. But when he actually goes in, he's going to actually have his own code that you can put on any of those campaigns that we talked about earlier. Then when he actually sends out his link, he'll be able to actually then get credit if somebody buys on that funnel or on that website and will know, hey, that was John. Then once all of that happens, you get all of these people to promote it, you get all of the funds coming through, you're also eventually going to have to do payouts. I'll try to find some better screens here in a second. But basically the payouts will show you, hey, listen, here's all your sales. Here's the percentage, here's the campaign it belongs to. Here's the person, the actually affiliate who made the sale for you, and this is how much money you owe them. Then from here you can export this out and use things like PayPal, MassPay to just send out the actual cash payments, and then mark the payments as finished. So on that note, that's the basics of affiliate management. Hopefully, I did a decent job. It's a 7-minute video, so I apologize. But on that note, let me jump into the release notes and let's see if we can find a little bit more info. Okay, good news is the video is going to end soon because all I can find is we've got the changelog. I'll get the links posted to the help docs. This is on beta. What does beta mean real quick again? Beta. Go high level. It works on real data. That means this is a live-ish feature in the sense that while you cannot see the interface on the live app, Go high level. Site. It works off live data. Everything you do here to test this out or get it going, you can run full campaigns, do the whole 9 yards without worrying about losing anything. You're not wasting your time. Anyways, I am just over the moon of this feature. I think this feature is just amazing, game-changing. I hope all of you love it as much as I do. As usual, we put it on beta just so that we can get great feedback from great customers before we take it live to everybody. Thanks for listening to this video about getting started with the Affiliate Manager, overview and FAQ. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment or ticket.